Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we are going to do the explanation of the poem The Earth is Round. Now children, The Earth is Round is a poem about a dog and a frog and their travels around the world. In this poem they discuss that the earth is not round and is flat and the earth never touches the sky. The Earth is Round by Nicholas Hosberg. A frog is sitting on a log. So children, a log is a thick piece of wood that is cut from a tree. Standing near is a shaggy dog. So now children, as you can look in the picture, the shaggy means a long, thick and untidy hair. So how is the appearance of the dog? The dog is very shaggy, having long, thick and very untidy hair. Bow wow, says dog, bow wow to you. And the frog says, how do you do? So how does the dog greet or wish the frog? He says, bow wow to you. And the frog replies by saying, how do you do? Just like when we meet our friends, how do we say to them, how do you do? The same way the frog says to the dog, how do you do? Now in the second stanza, children, the dog says something to the frog. So what does the dog say to the frog? If you like me, says dog, come with me. So he says that if you like me, you come along with me. Have a ride on my back for free. So children, what is a ride? Ride is to sit on and move on something. It can be an animal, it can be a vehicle. So he says that you have a ride on my back for free. So you sit and move on my back and I will not take any money from you. It will be absolutely free. We'll walk and talk. So they both will walk together and talk while the ride is going on and travel far. No need for plane, train, boat or car. So now children, he is offering a free ride to the dog. The dog is offering a free ride to the frog and saying that you come along with me and you don't need any train, plane, boat or car. I will take you around the world. Now the next stanza. Now children, as we have seen in the previous stanza, the dog was saying something to the dog. So here the frog will say something to the dog. How nice, says frog, for I have heard from a dear friend of mine a bird. So he appreciates, he says thank you to the dog and he says how nice, and I have heard from a dear friend of mine a bird. So what has the bird said to the frog? That the earth is flat but round and the sky never meets the ground. So the bird has told the frog that the earth is not flat. Flat means children in same level, smooth. Just like our road is very flat, it's leveled, it's smooth. It is not deep also and it's not high also. But round. So round, all of you know the shape of a ball, the shape of a circle. So the earth is flat as a road but it is again, in spite of being flat, it is round like a ball or circle also. You must have seen the picture of the green earth in your EVS book. So it is round like a ball and the sky never meets the ground. Meets means it never comes close or together to the ground. We can see the sky, the trees and then it's meeting the ground, but actually it is not coming near to the ground. We just look at it, but it never meets the soil, it never meets the ground. So off they go for a whole day and the ride's fun, I'm happy to say, and they find the earth is round. The sky never touches the ground. So off they go means they go down or away from the place that they have started. They spend the whole day together and the ride is fun. The frog, as you can see in the picture, he is riding, he's moving on the dog's back and he's having lots of fun, and then in the end the frog says to the dog that I'm happy to say, and they find that the earth is round. Round means it's having the shape of a circle or ball. So when they start from the same place and they come back to the same place, they come to know that the shape of the earth is like a circle or a ball. They find that the earth is round and the sky never touches the ground. Touches means the sky never comes near or comes close or together to the ground. Thank you, children.